In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the power steering pressure switch on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located in the engine bay on the side of the power steering pump. Let's get started. Remove the connector from the power steering switch. Push on the button, pull straight back, remove the connector. Put that off to the side. Using a 19mm socket, remove the power steering pressure switch. Before removing the pressure switch, we're going to put a few rags under the area so it'll catch any fluid that comes out when we remove the switch. The other thing is we're going to hold the other pressure switch while we take this out so we can get the quickest change possible to have the least amount of fluid loss. Remove the old pressure switch, quickly swap it out for the new one, get it started. Snug down the sensor. Torque the power steering pressure switch to 15 foot-pounds. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.